Fall is one of my favorite seasons because it's getting closer to my birthday month, so I thought it would be fun to do a fall morning routine. So the first thing that I do when I get up is I do like a little mini stretch, and then I'm going to put on my favorite slippers from Target. I absolutely love these slippers. They're amazing. So my bed is also my couch, so I like to put back the throw pillows and make my bed. I do that the first thing just to get that out of the way so I don't forget. So next, I am going to be going into my bathroom and putting in my contacts. And then I already put on my workout clothes for the day. Now it's time to start doing my Bible study and my devotional. So the first thing that I'm going to do before I get into that, I'm going to be making some wassail tea. I like to have some sort of like a warm drink while I'm reading. So I'm going to be now diving into my Bible study and my yearly devotional. So the Bible study is the Bible study book that goes through the Bible in a year, and then I like to read the Beth Moore Praying God's Word Day by Day a Year devotional prayer book. I love this book. Usually sometimes I do read, but last night I actually read a little bit, so I didn't read my book today. So I also love to kind of be really cozy while I'm reading. So I'm using my Los Angeles Chargers blanket. This is one of my favorite blankets. It's so soft. I absolutely love it. After I read, now it's time to work out. So I'm going to use the Lululemon Studio mirror. That's one of my favorite things to use for when I'm working out. So today I chose to do a strength class. Usually sometimes I do either a ballet class or a Pilates class. Today I just did a strength core class, and it was so much fun. I love doing those strength classes. Okay, so now it's time to get ready for the day. So actually today was Tuesday. So Tuesdays are my uploading days / filming days. So I don't have to, today actually didn't really need to film because I was filming this video. So I don't need to just do my skincare. But today or do anything to my hair. I just put up my hair in like a fancy ponytail today, instead of doing my curls that I do when it's not so hot. I don't usually do my curls when it's hot. Okay, so now it's time for some breakfast. Usually if I wake up a little bit later, I don't do a bigger breakfast. If I wake up super early, I have a bigger breakfast. Like today I made some eggs with onions and ham. This is actually one of my new favorite, two of my new favorite things that I like to add into my scrambled eggs. It's amazing. While I eat my breakfast, I'm going to be seeing what needs to be done for today. Like if I need to do some, I look at my to-do list, or I see what needs to be either edited, filmed, or uploaded for YouTube. Or sometimes I would either watch a YouTube video or watch a show. Today, I just wanted to see what I needed to do throughout the day. Okay, so now it's time to get ready. Today, like I said, was a filming day, so I don't need to do, or today is actually an editing day, so I actually don't need to film. Just do my skincare. I'm gonna do my skincare and my makeup. So first, I'm gonna go into the bathroom and I'm going to be just brushing my teeth. And I am going to wash my face. I'm using one of my favorite face washes. This is the ITK Dental Cleansing Milk. This is one of my favorites. I love it. Now it's time to go to my makeup table and do my skin prep and my makeup. Today I just wanted to do something very light. I just wanted to do I put bronzer in the crease and a sparkly eyeshadow. That was pretty much it. I did a light base just because it was a little bit hotter today, so I just wanted to have a makeup look that was very light and airy. Okay, so now that my makeup is done, I am going to be now starting my work. So I'm actually not getting paid for YouTube yet, but I technically do call it my work because I love making YouTube videos. It's one of my favorite things to do. So yeah, I'm just going to start. Actually, this particular day, I needed to edit a video and then upload it the same day. So that's what I'm going to be doing until lunchtime. So yeah, that was it for my fall morning routine. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!